Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Katie and today I'm going to do some paper piecing with you. This is for the Mandalorian page kit number 102 you can find in my Etsy shop. I will post the link below in the description of this video. So this is a very simple one, definitely great for beginners. This is the way title at the bottom right page. So let's go ahead and get started. It shouldn't take too long to put this one together. I have used silver mirror cardstock for the top layer. I'm not sure how well it shows up in the video, if you can see that shine, but it's really cool in person. So we're just going to layer these on top of the black. It's going to have a nice black outline, so it's not exactly the same size as the black. If you're trying to line it up, it's not going to. You just want to center that on there. And I'm just going to put a teensy bit of glue. Don't squeeze too much. I'm using the Art Glitter Designer Dries Clear liquid glue. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put this down. Just want to make sure it's centered there. Nice thin black outline all the way around. Pressing it down so it doesn't move because it's right where I want it. And it looks like I lucked out and there's no glue oozing out. I'm amazed. Okay, so awesome. There we go. Hopefully that's in focus there for you. Okay, so there's one. This is definitely want to make sure we have our black piece right side up before trying to stick this down. Okay. Again, I'm just tapping it. Once I have it where I want it, I just want to tap it because I don't want it to slide out of place. And I'm amazed there's no glue oozing out, especially that little skinny part. But yay, I'm happy about that. Okay. Now this one. Almost done. This is a quick one. Lay it down, make sure it's centered, looks good. Hold it in place and tap it or press it. Okay. And last one. Okay, so you'll see that the A has a hole in the middle. So that's why we have this solid layer piece. It's going to go underneath. Now I want to make sure not to have glue on the spot where the hole is of that. So what I'm going to do, this is slightly smaller than the black. Again, it's the same size as the word. Okay, so what I'm going to do, so I was just thinking there, I'm going to put the glue on the black because I don't want to accidentally put glue where the hole is. So I'm going to go around that hole, the A. Now I'm going to stay inward about 1/4 of an inch or so because I know that piece is slightly smaller. I mean, it's not that much smaller, but I don't want a bunch of glue oozing out. Oh, okay, I'm going to do this upside down because it's smaller. It's going to go right on top, centering it. Perfect. A little something got on there. Oh, good, it's gone. Okay, there it is. Hopefully the camera's getting into focus there. Okay, there it is. This is the way. I don't know about you, but I love that show, The Mandalorian. I can't wait to see the second season coming. I heard it's coming in October. We'll see. If you're a Star Wars fan, or even if you're not a Star Wars fan, the show is awesome. I love it. Go ahead and check it out if you haven't already. So anyway, that's it. That's all for this video. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more videos from me, please click the subscribe button and click that bell for notifications. And thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.